Every invoice that you create in Zoho is the same ritual. You click new, pick a customer, add a line item, add the GST, save and repeat. Do that 10 times and your morning is gone. Now imagine instead you paste a prompt, change a couple of values, invoke Claude and the invoice is done. No clicking through forms, no code. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zoho Books to Claude and then create tens of invoices in minutes by just typing. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to go to the link zoho.com/mcp. Sign in using your user. If you are already signed in, click on Access Zoho MCP. This is your Zoho MCP console. From here, you can create a new MCP server. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's the thing that lets an AI like Claude actually use a normal app like Zoho Books, go in and create invoices for you. Click on Create MCP Server. We'll be creating a custom MCP server. I'll call it Zoho Books YouTube Demo. The MCP server gives a set of actions to Claude telling it about what it can do, such as create an invoice or create a new customer. These actions are called tools. Let's click on Add Tools. These are list of all the Zoho products that are available. Let's search for books. Let's enable the tools that we need. For the purposes of this demo, we will be giving broad access to the tools, but you can restrict them. The first one is organizations. The second one is customers. The third one is invoices. And the fourth one is taxes. So all the tools that will be made available to Claude by the MCP server are listed down here. Now let's click on Connect. Let's copy the server URL from here. And now let's go to Claude. This is the Claude homepage. I am on the Pro plan. Let's click on Customize. Let's click on Connectors. Let's click on the plus here. Click on Add Custom Connector. And copy over the URL from Zoho and paste it here. And let's call it Zoho Books. Leave these two fields empty and click on Add. Once done, click on Connect, allow the access here, click the checkbox, click on Accept. Now here you can see that Zoho Books has been added in the list of the connectors and you can see all the tools have been made available here. Now let's start a new chat, click on the plus. Go to Connectors and ensure that Zoho Books is enabled. Let's ask Claude to get all the customers from Zoho. Zoho was able to figure out my organization and get a list of all my customers. Now let's consider Acme Org and create an invoice. I'm asking it to create an invoice for Acme Org for an amount of 10,000 INR and add a GST of 18% and to use the HSN code 998313, which is for IT consulting services, and let's send it and see what happens. So it was able to create the invoice, and because Acme org and my org are in different states, it was able to figure out that it needs to apply interstate GST. Now let's go to Zoho and check whether the invoice is actually created. And here I can see that invoice 2619 against Acme org has been created for 10,000 INR and 18% GST. Let's make a change and ask it to change the amount from 10,000 to 15,000. It has updated the invoice. Let's check it again in Zoho Books. The invoice amount is now 15,000 rupees. Now let's try one more query and ask it to get all the invoices for the past month. and figure out the number of invoices and the total tax that I need to pay for GST. It was able to figure out that there are 6 invoices in May 2026 totaling a certain amount. It then went in and figured out the GST on every invoice. Then it created a table of the GST and gave me the total. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do after connecting Zoho Books to Claude Code. If you are using other Zoho products, you can connect them here too. You can have it pull invoices, build reports automatically, run analytics to spot trends, reconcile against your bank statement, and even schedule invoices to go out on their own. If this helped, drop a like and let me know what you'd like to be automated next. Subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching.